Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into DHL Payroll account using your Next tab. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming update from us. If you want to log in yourself into the DHL Payroll account so that you can view your pay slips, update your personal information and apply for a leave or something like that, you can simply open up a web browser in the web address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in yourself.dhl.com and press enter. You'll end up in this web portal login page right here. Simply enter your email address that is associated with your employee ID into the first text box. Soon after you do that, head over to the next field and type in your password correct for your account. In case you've forgotten your password, you can click on the set/reset password link and follow the on-screen prompts so that you can reset to a new password of your choice. Finally, after you're done typing in your credentials and you're ready to log into your payroll, simply click on this login button. That is how you can easily get logged into your DHL self-service portal where you can go ahead and check in your pay slips, update your personal information and so much more. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up or get back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.